Subject Craft Standard 4th. Hello students, I am Sony Singh. Today in this video, we will make something interesting topics in craft. Our first topic for today is mushroom. So students, let's start to learn how to make a mushroom.
Students, today our first topic is mushroom. So take a organic paper from your organic packet. So this is how our mushroom paper will going to look. In the corner students, you can see mushroom over here written. So let's start to make a mushroom. First step is fold and unfold your paper to make a crease. Students, you can see you will fold and unfold your paper to make a crease. On the paper you can see crease came. Now second step, fold both the sides inwards along the crease. So this is how you will fold both the sides inwards along the crease. See like this. Now turn it your paper. See like this you will turn it your paper. Make a start step along the crease. So this is how you will make a start step along the crease till here over. Now fold along the crease and unfold back. So this is how you will fold along the crease and unfold back. Now open the pocket downward along the crease. See, this is how student you will open the pocket downward along the crease. First you will do one side, you will open the pocket. Now again other side you will open the pocket downward along the crease. Now fold upward along the crease. Now what you will do? You will fold upward along the crease. See, this is how. Now fold all the corners inwards along the crease. Now what you will do student? You will fold all the corners. This is how you will fold all the corners inwards along the crease. See, like this. Now turn it your paper. See, your mushroom is ready. Now stick over here.
Our second topic for today is tie. So students, are you excited to make a tie? Yes, so let's start to learn how to make a tie.
So student, our second topic is tie. So this is how our tie paper will going to look. So student, this is how our tie paper will going to look. So students, let's start to make a tie. So first step, what you will do? You will turn your paper. You will fold both the corner inwards along the crease. You will fold both the corners inwards along the crease. Now students, repeat same first step. You will fold both the corners inward along the crease. See, this is how you will fold both the corners inwards along the crease. Same first step you will repeat. Now fold the top corner downward along the crease. Now you will fold the top corner. This is how you will fold the top corner downward along the crease. Now again fold it paper backward. You will fold it paper backward. So this is how you will fold it backward. Now students, fold the tip inward along the crease. So students, you can see this is called a tip. You will fold the tip inward along the crease. See, this is how you will fold the tip inward along the crease. Now insert the tip. See students, like this you will insert the tip. This is how you will insert the tip, like this. So students, now your tie is ready. Now stick it over here.
Students, before moving to next slide, I will ask you question and you have to answer of that question. Can you tell me from where do we get flowers and fruits? Yes, we get flowers and fruits from tree. So our last topic for today is tree. So students, are you excited to make a tree? So let's start to learn how to make a tree.
Now students, our last topic is tree. So this is how our tree paper will going to look. So students, you can see this is how our tree paper will going to look. Now let us start to make a tree. Now turn it your paper. So this is how you will turn it your paper. Now you will fold and unfold to make a crease. So this is how student you will fold and unfold to make a crease. You can see student on the paper crease came. Now fold the paper both the side corners inwards. So this is how students you will fold both the sides corner inwards like this. Now open the paper, fold both sides inward along the crease. So this is how you will fold the paper both the sides inwards along the crease. So students, you can see this is how you will fold both the side inwards along the crease. Now turn your paper. So like this you will turn your paper. Again fold both the sides inwards along the crease. See, this is how you will fold both the sides inwards along the crease. Now open the flaps from the back side. What you will do? Now you will open the flaps from the back side and fold the lower corner upward along the crease. Now what you will do? You will fold the lower corner upward along the crease. See, like this. Now fold the lower part upward along the crease. Now what you will do? You will fold the lower part upward along the crease. So this is how. Now fold the student lower part upward. What you will do? You will fold the lower part upward and then fold the paper downward along the crease. See, this is how you will fold the paper downward along the crease. Now open the pocket. Now what you will do? You will open the pocket inward along the crease. So this is how you will open the pocket inward along the crease. Do the same on the other side. What you will do? You will do the same on the other side. See, like this. Now turn your paper. See students, your tree gets ready. Now stick the tree over here.
I hope so students. Today you all had learnt how to make a mushroom, tie and tree. So I am hoping to you all also make these 3 topics and stick in your craft book. Thank you.